The Great Astronauts of the World. Part 2. The great astronauts of the world have played a vital role in advancing human space exploration. From the first steps in orbit to long-duration missions aboard space stations, their achievements span decades of discovery. These pioneers come from many nations, showcasing the power of global cooperation. Their bravery, dedication, and legacy continue to inspire the dream of reaching beyond the stars. 21. Ellen Ochoa, 1958. Ellen Ochoa became the first Hispanic woman in space in 1993 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. She later served as the director of NASA's Johnson Space Center. Ochoa is also an accomplished engineer and classical flutist. 22. Frank Frederick Borman II, 1928 to 2023. Frank Borman commanded the historic Apollo 8 mission, the first to orbit the Moon. He was also a test pilot and later led Eastern Airlines. His leadership during key space missions was crucial in NASA's lunar program. 23. Roberta Lynn Bonder, 1945. Roberta Bonder is Canada's first female astronaut and the first neurologist in space. She flew on the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1992. Bonder is a pioneer in space medicine and continues to work in science and photography. 24. Robert Bob Brent Thirsk, 1953. Bob Thirsk is a Canadian astronaut and engineer who completed long-duration missions aboard the ISS. He was the first Canadian to live and work on the ISS for an extended stay. Thirsk is dedicated to space medicine and research. 25. Frank Viscount Derwin, 1961. Frank Derwin is a Belgian Air Force pilot and astronaut with the European Space Agency. He commanded Expedition 21 aboard the ISS in 2009, becoming the first ISA astronaut to lead a space station crew. His leadership advanced Europe's role in space. 26. Franklin Ramon Chang Diaz, 1950. Franklin Chang Diaz is a Costa Rican-American physicist and veteran of 7 space shuttle missions. He is also a pioneer in plasma propulsion technology. Chang Diaz is one of the most experienced astronauts in terms of flight count. 27. Rakesh Sharma, 1949. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian citizen in space, flying aboard the Soviet Soyuz T-11 in 1984. A former Indian Air Force pilot, he conducted scientific experiments in space. He famously said, "Sare jahan se acha," when asked how India looked from space. 28. Peggy Annette Whitson, 1960. Peggy Whitson is a biochemist and record-breaking astronaut who has spent more than 675 days in space. She was the first female commander of the ISS and held multiple duration records. Her achievements have broken many barriers in spaceflight. 29. Franklin Story Musgrave, 1935. Story Musgrave is a physician, engineer, and astronaut who flew on 6 space shuttle missions. He helped repair the Hubble Space Telescope and contributed to shuttle design. His diverse background made him one of NASA's most versatile astronauts. 30. Leroy Gordon Cooper Jr., 1927 to 2004. Gordon Cooper was one of NASA's original Mercury 7 astronauts. He piloted the longest Mercury mission and later commanded Gemini 5. Cooper helped lay the foundation for America's space program during its formative years. 31. Neil Alden Armstrong, 1930 to 2012. Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the Moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. His famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," became iconic. A test pilot and engineer, Armstrong remains a symbol of human exploration. 32. Mae Carol Jemison, 1956. Mae Jemison became the first African-American woman in space aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour in 1992. A physician and engineer, she advocates for science education and diversity in STEM. Jemison is also known for her work in science diplomacy. 33. Gregory Errol Chamitoff, 1962. Gregory Chamitoff is an American astronaut who served long-duration missions aboard the ISS. He contributed to robotics operations and spacewalks and later became a professor. His work bridges aerospace engineering and academic research. 34. Lisa Marie Novak, 1963. Lisa Novak flew on STS-121 aboard Discovery in 2006 as a mission specialist. A naval aviator and engineer, she worked extensively with robotics on the IS. Her post-flight career was marked by personal controversy. 35. Gun Stewart Bluford Jr., 1942. Gun Bluford became the first African American in space in 1983 aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger. A veteran of 4 space flights, he was also an Air Force pilot and engineer. Bluford paved the way for greater diversity in the astronaut corps. 36. Kalpana Chawla, 1962 to 2003. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin in space. She flew on 2 missions, tragically perishing in the Columbia disaster in 2003. Chawla is celebrated for her courage and inspiration to aspiring astronauts worldwide. 37. James Arthur Lovell Jr., 1928. Jim Lovell is best known as the commander of the Apollo 13 mission, which experienced a major in-flight emergency. He also flew on Gemini and Apollo 8, the first mission to orbit the moon. Lovell's leadership under pressure became legendary. 38. Julie Payette, 1963. Julie Payette is a Canadian astronaut who flew on 2 shuttle missions, including assembling parts of the IS. She later served as Governor General of Canada. A skilled engineer and musician, Payette symbolizes interdisciplinary excellence. 39. Judith Arlene Resnick, 1949 to 1986. Judith Resnick was the second American woman in space, flying aboard Discovery in 1984. She was a brilliant engineer and electrical systems expert. Resnick died in the Challenger disaster and is remembered for her intellect and legacy. 40. Scott Joseph Kelly, 1964. Scott Kelly is known for his record-setting 1-year mission aboard the IS in 2015-16, part of a twin study with his brother Mark. He has flown 4 space missions. Kelly's mission provided valuable data on long-duration spaceflight effects on the human body. 41. Kathryn Dwyer Sullivan, 1951. Kathryn Sullivan was the first American woman to walk in space during her 1984 shuttle mission. She later became head of NOAA and explored the deepest part of the ocean. Sullivan is the first person to both walk in space and reach the Challenger Deep. 42. Christina Koch, 1979. Christina Koch set the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman, spending 328 days aboard the IS. She also participated in the first all-female spacewalk in 2019. Koch is part of NASA's Artemis team for future lunar missions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.